Veterans are heroes because they save our people.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they're brave. Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they give us freedom.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they risk their lives to save us.
Veterans are heroes because they are willing to fight.
Thank you, veterans. Veterans are heroes because they keep us safe. Thank you, veterans. Veterans are heroes because they protect people.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they are unselfish.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they risk their lives.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for our freedom.
Veterans are heroes because they risk their lives for us.
Veterans are heroes because we would have freedom without them.
Veterans are heroes because they're the reason we have freedom.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they sacrifice for us.
Thank you for your service.
Veterans are heroes because they risk it for the biscuit.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for us.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they keep us alive. My dad is an army man. He protects us, keeps us safe, and does good things. Veterans are heroes because they went to war for us.
Veterans are heroes because they save our lives.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for our country.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for us.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for our country.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they're fearless.
Veterans are heroes. They keep us safe.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans are heroes because they protect our country.
Veterans are heroes because they're selfless and always put others first.
Veterans are heroes because they fight for us.
Thank you, veterans.
Veterans Day means love to me because I've had a lot of family members who have served, and they deserve a lot of respect because they've gone through so much. So.
Veterans mean so much to me because they're the ones that fight for us. Even if we don't give them credit for it all the time, they're always there.
Veterans not only to me mean like brave people that have fought for our country and our freedom, but people that believe in the future of our nation and that we can become better people, and people that believe in the people of America and what we have to offer to each other.
Veterans are special because of sacrifices that they make. My husband is a veteran. He's a 100% disabled veteran. Served 12 years in the Navy and actually worked at the White House under President Obama, so I know all the sacrifices that they make while being in the military.
Thank you.